I think I am audible to everyone. Okay, thank you. So, first of all, on behalf of Assam College Librarians Association, we'd like to welcome all of you in the second season of Soul 3.0. So, without wasting much time, just we will go to directly to the program, and I would like to invite our Honorable President of Assam College Librarians Association, Srimanta Madhav Bora sir, kindly to give his welcome address. Sir, please kindly give your welcome address. Just a second, please. Madhav Bora sir, just a second. Okay, sir, continue.
Thank you, Virendra. Hello.
Yes, you are
Good,
audible.
good evening, everybody. Ladies and gentlemen, I, on behalf of Assam College Librarian Association, welcome you all to this second session of the national level webinar on upcoming third generation of the Soul software, organized by the ICT Cell of Assam College Librarian Association. All of you are aware that Assam College Librarian Association is the premier professional organization of Northeast India. During this lockdown period, ICT Cell of Assam College Librarian Association has been conducting series of various training program for the online library services to the library professional and library users. We are thankful to Honorable Resource Person Sri Yatrik Patel sir, Scientist E, Computer Science in Flipnet Center, for his kind consent to attend the second session of this webinar. Welcome you, sir. We welcome to Honorable Dr. H.G. Husamani sir, Scientist D, Library Science in Flipnet Center, who is present as a resource person. They are the main think tank of the upcoming Soul 3.0 software. We welcome Dr. S.K. Singh sir, Head of the Department of Library and Information Science, Guwahati University, and advisor of ACLA. Hope their valuable discussion will enhance our knowledge regarding the upcoming Soul 3.0. With these few words, I welcome you all. Thank you. Long live ACLA. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you for your welcoming speech. Really, it's very, very wonderful. Thank you, sir. Now, I would like to invite the Honorable General Secretary of Assam College Librarians Association, Dr. Prasanta Kumar Deka, sir, to kindly give his speech. Sir, please kindly forward.
Hello, Vendo. Am I
Yes, sir.
audible?
You're audible, sir.
Can I take 60 seconds?
Yes, sir. We will allow you.
Okay, then. Okay. Honorable President, resource person, and my dear friend, I, on behalf of ACLA, I welcome to this online session. It is my pleasure to see you again in the second session on upcoming Soul 3.0 software. On public demand, the first online session has been successfully completed yesterday with more than 90 participants. As all of you know that within a short time, the much awaited Sol 3.0 software is going to be released by Influence Center. Sri Etik Patil sir, Dr. A.G. Hosamani sir, and Sri D.R. Vagela and their team deserve praise as they the man behind the generation, the upgradation of existing Soul 2.0. So keeping this in mind, we thought to train up the Soul user to Assam and any region through this online platform. This is the fourth attempt by the ICT cell of SCLA to give proper training to LS professionals. Sri Etik Patil, Scientist E, Dr. A.G. Hosamani, Scientist D, and Sri Divakant Rajnikant Waghela, Scientist C from Influence Center, Gandhinagar are the resource persons. Dr. Virendra Pal, Librarian of Kolivara College, is assigned to conducting this training program. This will certainly help This will certainly help the willing allies professionals to updating their knowledge in SOL 3.0. I am happy to inform you the ICT Cell SLA has already conducted online training program on uses of e-resource development by Improvement Center. From tomorrow, we are going to arrange another online training program on English and Sudgonga amongst the college teachers in different college of Assam. Under our initiative, more than 70 colleges libraries are going to join Narket Union Catalog process developed by Improvement Center. We are offering all kind of technical help to college librarians of Assam on Soul and Enlist, sir. Other than technology, we have worked for lots of allies application, organizing seminars and workshops. Under the umbrella of ACLA, the College Librarian of Assam have got the most prestigious governing body membership in colleges. As promised in future, we will also conduct some more program by initiative, initiating experts from national and international level, and this will not be confined to only Assam, but will be open to all willing allies professional of our country. As the in, I welcome all the research person, invited guests, participants to the session, and I am sure all of you will be benefited this online session. Thank you. Okay.
Thank you, sir, for your enlightened speech. And really, it's a very proud moment for Assam College Librarians Association that we are developing under your leadership, under your guidance, and we are working very hard day and night for making success not only of this program, but also we are planning for the different kinds of programs in our future also. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Now, before going to the next season, just I would like to take 30 or 20 seconds to admit all the participants who are in the waiting room. Just more than 7 or 8 participants are there. Okay. So now we would like to go to our next agenda of this webinar. The famous scientist of InfluMNet Center, Dr. S.G. Hosamani, sir, scientist D, InfluMNet Center from Library Science. Sir, we are really waiting for your enlightened speech because yesterday also we have heard from you some of the new things, some of the kind of inspirations we are getting from you. And really we are fortunate that whenever we want any help from InfluMNet, you are the person we are making a kind of backbone for us. So sir, please kindly give your enlightened speech to our participant. Thank you, sir. Hosamani, sir.
Thank you, Virendra Pal. Good afternoon to all of you. Respected Dr. S.M. Bora sir and Dr. P.K. Dekas and Dr. Virendra Pal and Dr. Sanjay Singh and my colleague Yatrik Patel and another colleague Mr. Devakanta Wagela and distinguished allies professional from Assam as well as Northeastern states. It is my great pleasure to welcome all of you for this online session on the forthcoming SOLT 3.0. At the outset, I appreciate Assam College Librarian Association for arranging this kind of online session on the SOLT 3.0. And it is a great platform for InfluMNet to produce to talk on the various products and services of the InfluMNet. And also I am thankful to as a resource person for this session. I hope everybody, you are aware of the SOL software, its main features and functionality of the software. And more than 3,700 installation across the country. And it is most installed software, popular software in the country. And in the Northeast, under the NERO project, we have given more than 388 installations. And apart from that, individual installations also we have done. It is almost more than 500 installations in the Northeastern state. And we have also service center at 2 places in the northeastern region, one at Guwahati and another one at Mizoram. And we are also strengthening these centers in the way of using a different technology and tools. And when we're talking about the futures of the software, the whole software, you might have aware that the Mark 21 internationally accepted the standard. So this compliance is also there, and anybody can use it to copy the record from the different sources. That is bibliographical, that data can directly copy and put it to the software. That option is also there in the software. And Unicode compliance is also there. Anybody can feed record in multilingual language. And apart from that, the rendering techniques we used in this software is ACR2 compliance. And then when we talk about the issue return, NCIP and the SIP2 protocol compliance is also there. Anybody can easily check in, check out through the RFID technology, that also possible through this software. And recently, we have conducted online survey from the users, sole users. And apart from that, we have also conducted user meet at 2 places, one at Bhopal and another one at Mumbai. And based on the input and their suggestion, and we also evaluated the number of softwares, existing software, popular softwares. And that input we have incorporated with this SOL 3.0, that is advanced features based on the technological requirement or need actually. And when we talk about the training continuously, since last 2 decades, we are conducting a regional training program in across the northeastern state. And we are also receiving the fund from the NERO also. And we are using for SOL support as well as trainings and the ATP programs. And also number of new projects, number of new initiatives also we have planned actually. So particularly on InfluBNet, that is institutional repository and e-learning modules, and that is in the pipeline. And when we talk about the ILMS software, particularly on the open source softwares, you might have seen in the market a number of commercial as well as institutionally developed softwares, available in the market. When we talk about the open source, everybody is aware that that is a free software, anybody can install and freely you can use. But it is not like that actually. So somebody want to use actually, you need your own expertise, and you need a customizations. And for that actually, you have to pay the huge money for that actually. So even in Northeast or entire country, even though the institute, they have their own expertise, still they are paying the huge money to the installations, data conversion and customization and EMC also. This is the factor. So it is just like open source is an open market for open earning. One way it is saying the free, and another way it is a different model actually. For services, you have to pay the money. And when we talk about the data conversion from one software to another software, if it is the same software, you can 100% transfer is possible. If it is not other software, then 100% data conversion is not possible. And when we make the customization, updation is a very difficult task to update the software. So this kind of number of issues and challenges are there using the open source software. And we heard actually that online support is available. It is not like that actually. We tried, and we are since beginning last 3 decades in Fluentnet is working on the ILMS software. We started with the Datadog Delms, then we brought ILMS integrated library management software and tested it in the northeastern region also that time, and even Soul 1.0 and 2, and now it is 3 is yet to release actually. That is present situation. So number of the programs, and we are planning to the northeastern region, and a number of initiatives already we planned and we discussed with our director, and we already for fund also we requested to the government of India ministries to support this kind of services to the northeastern region. So I highly appreciate and your cooperation for using our product and services, and I hope same the cooperation and support is required for the Fluentnet to do much more better services, to provide better services to the end user. And it is a government agency, non-profit making organization, and whatever that is a nominal cost charging, not Northeast actually, the other parts of the India, that revenue we are using for the development of the LIS professions. So this brief, once again, I very thankful to organizer for giving us this kind of facility to address the big gathering. So once again, I wish you all the best, and on the behalf of Fluentnet, again, I welcome to this technical sessions. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you very much, sir, for your enlightening speech. Really, that will help us to develop our library services. Thank you, sir. Now, I would like to move to the next part of this meeting. That is the person to whom we are waiting eagerly, Sri Yatrik Patel, sir, Scientist E in Fluentnet Center. Sri Yatrik Patel, sir, needs no introduction. We know him since Fluentnet is inception. And really, it's a great privilege that a person like him has accepted our invitations. Also, this is a very great moment that he is not only present with him, but also with his colleagues, Sri Divyakant R. Vaghela, who is also very much expert scientist in Fluentnet Center. So, without wasting much time, sir, I welcome you to this grand platform, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Just a minute, sir. I will just make. Okay, sir. Yatrik, sir.
Namaskar to everyone. Good afternoon to all of you. Well, this fellow Birender Palda has spoken too much of things about me, but I really don't deserve this. And in fact, I would like to thank Assam College Library Association for this initiative, because see, we are connected with entire India, and and everywhere in entire India we don't have seen, or we have not seen any library association who really thinks for the colleges and I mean trying to do some productive work like this. and for benefit of college librarians, because you know, whenever you see there is politics, इसको general secretary बनना है, इसको secretary बनना है, इसको president बनना है, वही लोग करते हैं. Whereas what I see here is this Birender Palda and Dr. Prashanta Deka, they are working day and night. He is installing Zoom in people's mobile phone in the night at 12 o'clock. He is trying to connect to everyone. He is trying to help. रात को 12 बजे वो लिस्ट बनाता है, फीडबैक लेता है. तो first of all, I really salute all the active persons, Birender Pal and Prashanta Deka and President and all office bearers of this Assam College Library Association. Now, and secondly, you know, I have a feeling for Assam. You may recall that I joined InflibNet in 1997, and in 98 I came, my first official trip from InflibNet was to Assam, Guwahati, and that was in 1998, if I can correctly recall, or maybe 97 end. So it has been 22 years I am attached and connected with Assam, and the love of all people. At that point of time, Dr. Alka Badagohain was there in department, and Dr. Talukdar was the librarian, and I could see Dr. Nityananda Pathak somewhere on the screen. He was very young person that time. He was because 22, and he used to take us to Jalukbari and Adabari and Paltan Bazaar and all. And at that point of time, we started our initiative with Assam. At that time, it was ILMS. Then it came Soul 1.0. It came Soul 2.0, and now what I'm going to present is Soul 3.0. Now I would like to start my presentation. That is, is it visible? Should be visible, right?
Yes, sir, it is visible.
Okay. So when we talk about new feature, because see, most of you are users of Soul, okay, and आपको लगता होगा कि इसमें ये लोग नया क्या है. अब आप देखिए, कोई भी सॉफ्टवेयर में आप ट्रांजैक्शन नहीं चेंज कर सकते. मतलब जिस प्रकार से इश्यू या रिटर्न होता है उसी प्रकार से होता है. जिस प्रकार से कैटलॉगिंग होता है या एक्विजिशन प्रोसेस होता है उसी प्रकार. यू कैन नॉट चेंज योर टेक्निकल प्रोसेसेस, बट यस, एज अ सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपर व्हाट वी ट्राई टू डू कि वी आर ट्राइंग टू हेल्प यू कि आप अपनी प्रोसेस एकदम इजीली कर सके. तो जो नए फीचर की हम बात करें सोल में, तो व्हाट वी हैव इज दैट डिवाइस इंडिपेंडेंट रिस्पॉन्सिव थीम. दैट इज जैसे आपका कोई मोबाइल स्क्रीन हो, टैबलेट हो या लैपटॉप हो, हर एक में एक ही तरह का फीलिंग आएगा. इट इज टच कॉम्पिटेबल, इट इज कस्टमाइजेबल, color and font size. You can select user interface language. There is camera integration, duplicate payment receipt. मतलब हमने पूरा payment model थोड़ा revise किया है. Now reports have been more stable, more comprehensive, and you can export report as Word file also. Earlier we used to export report in PDF and Excel only. Now you can export in a Word file. We have updated Mark. Now in newer Soul we are giving SMS based alert as inbuilt. Only thing that you need to do is just subscribe to some SMS service, and for all your transaction, that is issue, return, reminder, renewal, SMS will automatically go. Then we have dashboard. We have changed OPEC in great way. We have upgraded our NCIP2 interface, and we are trying to incorporate another application, Android application, so by which your user can install that application and can connect with libraries. Yes, this I was talking about device responsive theme. You know, see, this is the acquisition screen in New Soul. Same way, if you access through any device, it may be mobile or tablet, it will scale automatically. Then it is touch compatible. You can do operations by touch. You can change colors. This I'm going to show a demonstration. See, you can change language also. Like initially we have knowledge of Hindi only, so we have converted into Hindi. But yesterday we had a discussion with Dr. Deka ji and other people, and they have agreed that they have help. They will help us in translation of English term to Assamese. अगर ये चीज हो गया तो आपको सोल का पूरा इंटरफेस आसामीज में मिलेगा. फिर हमने क्या किया है कि अब तक जो आप मेंबरशिप क्रिएट कर रहे थे तो उसमें आपको मेंबर का फोटो स्कैन करके कहीं फोल्डर में सेव करना पड़ता था. अब क्या हुआ है कि सीधा हमने कैमरा के साथ उसको इंटीग्रेट कर दिया है. तो उसका मतलब कि आप जैसे आधार वगैरह करवाने जाते हैं और वो सीधा आपका फोटो ले लेता है, सेम वे यू कैन टेक फोटोग्राफ ऑफ द मेंबर. सो इट इज गोइंग टू सेव टाइम. डुप्लीकेट रिसिप्ट है. रिपोर्ट्स कैन बी एक्सपोर्टेड एज वर्ड फाइल. SMS कॉन्फ़िगरेशन है. इजी नेविगेशन बिटवीन फॉर्म्स है. ये भी मैं डेमोस्ट्रेशन के टाइम दिखाऊंगा. और उसके अलावा हम एक सोल में डैशबोर्ड दे रहे हैं. ये डैशबोर्ड में क्या है कि जैसे ही सोल खुलेगा, ये भी मैं प्रैक्टिकल डेमोस्ट्रेशन के टाइम दिखा रहा हूँ. चलो ये स्किप करता हूँ. ओपेक भी मैं प्रैक्टिकली आपको दिखाता हूँ. ये देखिए ओपेक की स्क्रीनशॉट है. आपको डेस्कटॉप में भी दिखाई देगा और मोबाइल में भी इस तरह दिखाई देगा. मोबाइल फ्रेंडली है. वेब ओपेक में देखिए आपको यूजर थंबनेल और ये फैसेट्स मिला है, वो काफी कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव हो गया है. दूसरा हम नया लेके आए हैं इस बार कि प्रोविजन ऑफ सेल्फ एंट्री बाय मेंबर्स. देखो अभी लाइक कोविड चल रहा है, पैंडेमिक चल रहा है, तो पीपल आर नॉट कमिंग टू लाइब्रेरी एंड यू आल्सो डोंट वांट दैट कि people should come and fill in the membership form and then give it to librarian. फिर librarian उसका data entry करेगा. फिर डेटा एंट्री करके उसको मेंबर कार्ड जनरेट करके देगा. ये सब प्रोसेस हम मतलब वैल्यू एडिशन कर रहे हैं कि उसमें मेंबर घर पे बैठे बैठे अपना फॉर्म भर सकता है. इंटरनेट पे फॉर्म भर के उसको अपना फोटोग्राफ, फी रिसिप्ट और सिग्नेचर अपलोड करना है और वो रिक्वेस्ट सीधा लाइब्रेरियन के पास जाएगा. फिर अगर लाइब्रेरियन चाहे तो वो रिक्वेस्ट को अप्रूव कर सकता है और उसको बोल सकता है कि नाउ योर मेंबरशिप इज कंफर्म, यू कैन कम एंड कलेक्ट मेंबर कार्ड फ्रॉम द लाइब्रेरी. सो ये ऑनलाइन हो गया है. अच्छा, दूसरा एक बात मैं करने जा रहा हूँ कि like people are nowadays much talking about Koha or it has become a business. See, while you are connected to InflibNet, if you have taken Soul 1 from us, we have upgraded to Soul 2 free of cost. Secondly, I am also telling you that all Soul 2 users will get free upgrade of Soul 3.0. See, we are, as Hosamani ji has told, we are not profit making and we don't want to make one single rupee profit out of this. But our attempt is if we want to save you from spending public money. See, you can see there are several institutions. I mean, I have been getting inputs that there are several institutions in Assam who are paying very huge amount for open source software which is free. Just imagine what is happening to public money, right? And again, like for a software which is freely downloadable from the web, from the internet, and one can easily configure it, people are paying 10 lakhs for that, and that is for buying, and for every year they are paying 1 lakh, 2 lakh for maintenance of it. Why? What is happening to profession? See, if you are using an open source software free of cost, it is fine. But if you are paying for open source software, that to a very unreasonable amount, that is, I mean, not something which is professional. Anyway, let's not discuss. My idea is, I just want to tell you, and as a proud Soul user, you can always tell कि Soul has each and every functionality which Koha is having. That is first thing. In addition to that, Soul is having certain additional functionality which even Koha don't have. Say, I will go through some screen. See, in Soul, in acquisition, we have duplicate check. In acquisition, we have provision of budget module with multiple hierarchical heads. जैसे see, if there is a college library है एक, तो कॉलेज लाइब्रेरी में स्टेट गवर्नमेंट से फंड आता है, सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट से फंड आता है, डीएसटी का फंड आता है लाइब्रेरी बुक्स परचेज करने के लिए. तो हमने अलग अलग बजट हेड का प्रोविजन है और इंट्रा हेड ट्रांसफर भी है. ये चीज आपको कोहा में नहीं है, और अगर ये चीज आपको कोहा में करवाना है तो किसी को 50,000 देना पड़ेगा, वो आपको करके देगा. Yes, we don't have Z39.50 because Z, if you browse internet a little bit and find out that Z39.50 is very old protocol. It was devised in maybe 1970s or 80s. Whereas what we are giving you SRU, SRW in newer Soul. In circulation, only added advantage which Koha is having ki it provides offline circulation. But we in Indian academic scenario, yes, for special library it is fine. But academic scenario में offline circulation viable नहीं है. और additionally अगर आप circulation में देखें तो ऐसी कई सारी चीजें हैं सोल में जो कोहा में नहीं है. बुक बैंक है, ग्रुप इश्यू है, ओवरनाइट इश्यू है, डेली स्टेटस ऑफ विजिटर्स है, इंट्रा डिपार्टमेंट बुक ट्रांसफर है, लोकेशन बेस्ड इश्यू रिस्ट्रिक्शन है, वो सब नहीं है कोहा में. देन इन सीरियल कंट्रोल वी हैव स्पेशल ट्रांजैक्शन कॉल्ड सेट प्रिपरेशन. अब जैसे सेट्स आता है ना वॉल्यूम्स, उसका आप सेट प्रिपेयर करके उसको बाइंड करवा सकते हैं. वो प्रोविजन सोल में है, कोहा में नहीं है. ओपेक मैं आपको दिखा रहा हूं बाद में. देन Soul 2, even our older Soul was quite conversant with data transfer. Just आप किसी पहचान वाले लाइब्रेरियन को जो कोहा यूज कर रहा है उसको पूछ देखना कि आपने डेटा ट्रांसफर करवाने के लिए कितना खर्चा किया. Whereas in Soul, you can export your data at any time, you can import your data at any time, no charge. And if you contact Hosamani ji, he will definitely do free of cost. Well, all features we are having. See pen and zip. I'm skipping this. Now coming to support part. See, Koha has paid online user training program and discussion forums and all, but in Soul we are not giving any online at present. But yes, most of you who are Soul user have experienced that if any time you call Soul support center or Sanjay Sinha ji or Hosamani ji or me or Divyakant or Vijay Srimali, anybody from our Soul support, we are always on the toes. आपका रिमोट लेके ये करके हमने always support किया है. हाँ, कहीं कहीं हम कम लोग हैं तो शायद थोड़ा डिले हो रहा होगा, बट हम वी आर ऑलवेज सपोर्टिंग यू. एंड ये चीज कोई सॉफ्टवेयर में नहीं है कि हम जितना अपग्रेड आता है एज अ पॉलिसी हम फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट देते हैं आपको. सो विथ दिस आई विल गो टू लाइव डेमोस्ट्रेशन. अच्छा, मैं और कुछ कहना चाहता हूं कि अगर आपको कोई भी क्वेश्चंस वगैरह है तो यू कैन ऑलवेज आस्क इन चैट बॉक्स, है ना. आप क्वेश्चन में चैट बॉक्स में पूछ लीजिए. मैं ड्यूरिंग माय प्रेजेंटेशन आई विल बी रिस्पॉन्डिंग. अच्छा, ये ओपेक का बात कर रहे हैं हम। सोल का वेब ओपेक में दिखाता हूँ। ये फ्रंट स्क्रीन है। We are giving you basic search, free test search, boolean, advanced boolean and acquisition of suggestion. सर्च बाद में परफॉर्म करते हैं, पहले मैं वो मेंबर रजिस्ट्रेशन का दिखा रहा हूँ कि अगर आपका सोल या आपकी कॉलेज की लाइब्रेरी, एक मिनट में, देर आर सर्टेन क्वेश्चंस। ओके, अभी कोई क्वेश्चन नहीं है, बट आप क्वेश्चन चैट बॉक्स में रख सकते हो। अच्छा, ये मेंबर रजिस्ट्रेशन का फीचर है कि अगर मेंबर ऑलरेडी रजिस्टर्ड है तो वो अपनी मेंबरशिप एप्लीकेशन एडिट कर सकता है, और अगर उसको रजिस्टर करना है तो ये फॉर्म है, यहाँ पर अपना प्रोफाइल वो रजिस्टर करके, डिपार्टमेंट सिलेक्ट करके, कोर्स डेजिग्नेशन सिलेक्ट करके, वो अपना फोटोग्राफ, फी रिसिप्ट और सिग्नेचर ये सब अपलोड करके वो रिक्वेस्ट सबमिट कर देगा। रिक्वेस्ट सबमिट करने के बाद उसको प्रिंट आउट के लिए एक ऑप्शन रहेगा कि वो प्रिंट कर पाए, और लाइब्रेरियन ये रिक्वेस्ट चेक करके उसका मेंबरशिप अप्रूव कर देगा। और as soon as the member come with that signed printout of his membership form, he can be issued member card. तो ये एक फीचर का यूज करिए। दूसरा, अगर सर्च में देखोगे आप तो say I am doing one search India, yes, there is a question from Badan Burman. Does Soul 3 have RSS feed in WebOPEC as we have it in Koha software? I will say yes, because although it is not visible in this screen, but yes, we can have RSS feed in Soul's WebOPEC. Before that, I would like to demonstrate you this OPEC. See here, this is the screen. Here you can see the facets like subject, author, publisher, year of publication. This is also customizable. Here you can see thumbnail. Regarding this thumbnail also, it fetches automatically from internet. So if you have given correct ISBN number of the book, it will automatically fetch the thumbnail from the internet and will display it to you. If you click on more detail, you can see the detail. You can straight away print this record, or alternatively you can save all this record. If you are logged in member and registered member, you can save this book in your cart, as well as if you want to print bibliography, you can print the same, right? So this was about OPEC. We have, I would like to say, we have improved a lot in this. Now let us look at that Soul 1. Before that, there are two questions. Gagan Thakuria ji, is there any provision to link other software like this DSpace? Yes, we can make that if the other software or other search engine is OAI-PMH compliant. Let me demonstrate you Soul. Before that, let me take one question. अच्छा, नित्यानंदा पाठक जी पूछ रहे हैं कि with Soul 3.0 we have to require any other updated server. Pathak ji, see, Soul is for a latest platform. So if you have Windows XP or something, it won't run. Definitely you need to have Windows Server 2000 12 or 14 or higher, or preferably Windows 8 or higher. This is a login screen, and as soon as one logs in, what you can see is a dashboard, a very dynamic dashboard we are showing. So here you can see total members, total unique copies in your library, total material, that is including multiple copies, then last 5 accessioned items, how many books are pending for order, pending for received, pending for accessioning, etc., etc. Another feature, अपूर्वा ज्योति मजूमदार का क्वेश्चन है कि इस server software is OS independent. I will say yes, we can have any server running RDBMS, but yes, at one for integration etc., you need something which can run ASPX. Then संताना जी का क्वेश्चन है, आज फिर से है, कल भी थी ना, हाउ टू अपग्रेड सोल 2.0 टू सोल 3.0. संताना जी, after this lockdown ends, we will have one form available on our internet, and we will request you to fill in that form. And if you have all that prerequisite softwares and all, we will definitely upgrade Soul from our end. Sir, how we can convert all the student library ID to essential of Soul? See, Soul 2 user need not worry about everything, because we have a transfer program which will automatically transfer your data to this thing, to Soul 3.0. Chanlang Chi's question is, any provision in biblio details to tag or share links? Yes, we will provide if you want. Okay, now going to administration module. See, the dynamic thing which I wanted to show you is in system settings, in theme configuration. Suppose if you want to change color, save, and you can see color or scheme of entire software has been changed. Now suppose if you want to change the language, अब तक हम लोगों ने हिंदी में किया है, लेकिन ये डेका साहब ने कहा हमें कि he will try to manage the Assamese translation. तो अगर Assamese में हो जाता है तो you will see everything in Assamese. There are somewhere around 150 or somewhere around 200 terms which needs to be transliterated. So if we get those terms translated in Assamese, we will have see, ये रहा ना, आप देख रहे हो कि सर्कुलेशन में भी आपको दिखेगा, हर एक मेनू आइटम का टेक्स्ट हिंदी में है, मेंबरशिप का फॉर्म है, ये भी सारा हिंदी में है. यही चीज अगर हमें असमीज ट्रांसलेशन मिल जाता है तो हम पूरा सॉफ्टवेयर असमीज में भी कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं. और नॉट ओनली असमीज, इन वी कैन कन्वर्ट इट इनटू एनी इंडियन और एनी यूनिकोड बेस्ड लैंग्वेज. नाउ लेट मी गो टू दिस थिंग इंग्लिश. सॉरी, मैंने चेंज नहीं किया. प्रबंधन, सिस्टम सेटिंग, There are 3 more questions. Let me take it. Any provision to collect email ID? Gaganji, I am not able to. Gagan Thakuria's question is any provision to collect email ID? I am not getting this question. Nekhini Anthony's question is how to install the web OPEC. See, we will help you. We will be having comprehensive installation instruction, and if you are not able to do yourself as we are doing, we will help you to install. That Poppy Bora at 79@gmail.com question is how we can convert all the students library ID. See, don't worry, we will help you in conversion. ओके, नाउ मैं जो बताने की कोशिश कर रहा था कि जैसे आप कोई सर्कुलेशन ऑपरेशन कर रहे हो, कि ट्रांजैक्शन मेनू, उसी वक्त आपको देखना है कैटलॉग में कोई बुक क्या है, उसी वक्त आपको देखना है एक्विजिशन में कि कोई बुक अप्रूवल में है कि नहीं है, उसी वक्त आपको देखना है सर्कुलेशन का कोई रिपोर्ट। ठीक है, अब ये देखिए पहले वाले सोल में आपको क्या दिक्कत थी कि जैसे सर्कुलेशन में कैटलॉग, सर्कुलेशन का कोई ऑपरेशन कर रहे हो और आपको कैटलॉग में जाना है, तो पहले आपको सर्कुलेशन विंडो को सेव करके बंद करना पड़ता था और फिर वापस मेनू में जाकर कैटलॉग का ऑपरेशन करना पड़ता था। अब जिस स्पीड से मैंने किया, आपने देखा होगा कि आपके सामने सारे ऑप्शन अवेलेबल है। यहां से आप इश्यू रिटर्न भी कर सकते हो, यहां से आपको कैटलॉगिंग एंट्री भी मिल रही है। अगर बुक कैटलॉगिंग में नहीं है तो आप सीधा जाके उसको अप्रूवल भी मतलब अप्रूव भी कर सकते हो, साथ साथ मेंबरशिप कार्ड भी प्रिंट कर सकते हो। मतलब जो नेविगेशन पोर्शन है वो हमने बहुत इजी कर दिया है। मतलब थोड़ा सा आपको टाइम लगेगा इसको यूज टू होने में, और आप हर एक विंडो को यहीं से बंद कर सकते हो। उसके बाद है एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन में, मैं जो एसएमएस की बात कर रहा था, यहां पर आप ईमेल एंड एसएमएस सेटिंग है। तो एसएमएस आप इतने ट्रांजैक्शन के लिए, इश्यू, ओवरड्यू, रिमाइंडर, रिटर्न, आप सबके लिए एसएमएस कॉन्फ़िगर कर सकते हो। और एक एसएमएस सर्वर एप्लीकेशन है, वो आपको डालना पड़ेगा और कहीं से एसएमएस का पैकेज लेना पड़ेगा। I will take 3-4 questions and then after I will move over to Divyakant for a little bit elaborate demonstration. Yes, is there any Nityananda Pathak का question है कि is there any provision for self check-in and check-out? Yes, we have services for that, and if your system is RFID compliant without expense of a single rupee or single additional money, you can just start this NSIP server, NSIP or SIP server on your system on local IP. You can just start NSIP server and you can do NSIP based transaction. फिर दूसरा क्वेश्चन था एनी प्रोविजन फॉर RFID. डॉक्टर हेमंता जी, सोल 2 onwards we are giving RFID compliance free of cost. Secondly, advantage with Soul is you can have support for both the RFID protocol, that is NSIP 2.0. That also we have improved to NSIP 2.02, which has been released maybe 6 or maybe 1 year back. No software in India has support for NSIP 2.02. Everyone has 2, but still we are supporting you. And yes, we have support for SIP SIP2 protocol also, that is proprietary by 3M. So Hemant का question आ गया, requirement to install a WebOpec. Sir, for WebOpec you need a server which can handle ASP files. It can be IIS or it can be even Apache with ASP extension or anything. डेका साहब कह रहे हैं कि हाँ, डेका साहब को थोड़ा टेंशन है. यस, ही सेज कि प्लीज अनाउंस मॉड्यूल वाइज ट्रेनिंग. Definitely, sir, we will be announcing module wise training as soon as the soul is released. ईमेल आईडी फ्रॉम एड्रेस, ये ठाकुरिया जी का मुझे सवाल नहीं समझ में. ईमेल आईडी फॉर एड्रेस यू कैन कलेक्ट. ठाकुरिया जी, then we will give you mic and just explain me, because right now, yes, you can get email ID from Soul database. You can do email automatically. Our system will do email on all behalf of participant. Okay, Munawar Iqbal sir कह रहे हैं कि question answer session should be in end. Yes, I think I respect that suggestion. Let Divyakant ji give a brief demonstration of the software, and then after we will take questions.
Okay, thank you, sir.
I'm stop sharing.
Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. See, Yatrik sir has already taken the about Soul WebOpec. Now I'm directly moving to the Soul software. So this is the first login screen. Super user and SU is the password. Now after logging into the screen, you will be able to see the basic statistics of Soul software, like total members, total material, total item available in the library, total items with multiple copies, then last 5 entered accession numbers, then total pending order, received items, accessioning and issued items on ILL. All these things will be available on the dashboard, along with this number of items entered today, per week and per month wise, total number of items issued and new member created today, weekly or per month wise. Apart from this two, we have given two options for technical support and for library support. So anyone can enter these two details. No, only super user can enter this detail, but in any client system, it will be visible. So in case of any technical support, they can directly contact to this person, and in case of library support, they can directly contact to this this person. Now coming to the main part, here we have given the side pane, left pane for menu items. The menu items are almost same, like acquisition, catalog, circulation, serial control, OPEC, administration, change password. In this administration part, as you have seen that we have added some features and functionality like SMS integration, then email functionality. So we have added few things in this. So I'm just briefing you only those things which needs to be entered, or which is different from the Soul 2.0. Rest remain the same. Like, see, in user settings, we have given OPEC configuration. See, earlier what was there? Earlier, OPEC was becoming slow when the number of data are very large. So what we did is we have converted and we integrated Lucene indexing part. So all the data will be converted to Lucene index, and then you need to set the Lucene index part and the services part. So this configuration part is there. Then as sir has shown you that members entry part, this one, member registration part, this one. So those who have registered themselves through this window, librarian can import those members using this interface by going to this admin part. Here they need to log in as admin, and then they can see the administration can administrator can see that this registered members here, and though after checking the details, the librarian can or the super user can import the member after verifying the details. So for that, we have given option to create an admin user. Another thing, the email and SMS settings. For email settings, we have added this port number and all the things are remain same. Then SMS setting. For this particular transactions, we have added SMS functionality like issue, overdue, reminder, and return. And anyone can change the text here in the template. Whatever the template you want to keep it, here you can edit the template and save it. Only thing you need SMS gateway system from any SMS service provider. From there, you need to get that SMS gateway API, and then they need
So yeah, so this answers the questions by Badan Barban, who can say the ki third party API. Yes, obviously you have to use any third party API for SMS and you can configure it here. Go ahead, Vivek.
okay. So here one and the other thing, how the SMS will be sent. For that, we are also providing you the SMS server bundled with this Soul software. Here you need to configure this API details and you just say start it. So SMS server will be started and all the SMSs will be sent through Soul software. So this is other part. The other, see this image upload, later layout, all these are the same as it was available in Soul 2.0. Label
But
setting,
improved.
but it is improved. Yes, it is improved. Later number, collection type, then library information part. Here we have given this library information part. You can change or add this library person detail and technical person detail. This will be reflected in the home screen, dashboard screen. Then database backup was also available here. Theme configuration as sir showed. You can change the language. If it is available in Assamese language, you can change it to Assamese here, and the screen will be displayed in the Assamese language. Then rest of the parts like acquisition, then I'm removing this. Then catalog master, then circulation master. Almost all are same, which was available in 2.0. It is also available in this 3.0. Only thing we have changed, see, we have changed the item like institution detail. It was taken to the first. Nothing. Rest of the items are same. Then directly moving to this circulation part. See, as I told you, almost same in acquisition. Yes, sir.
Vivekant, there is one question. Like somebody just asked, can we import Enlist record directly to Soul? So would you please address that? What I want to say is, it is not only Enlist. You can import any record, either it is from Library of Congress or it is from Indicate or it is from any arcade. What I will request is, if Divekant can quickly go through the steps
Okay.
very quickly.
Okay,
Not
sir.
exactly, but just how to do that, so that will help to clear the doubt. It can be
Right.
EDIS record, or it can be indicate record, or it can be Library of Congress record. It can be
Right.
anything.
See, a Library of Congress, they are also providing this mark format. Then INCAT is also providing the mark format. And if the data is available in mark format of analyst, then they can directly go to this catalog module. The functionality for copy cataloging is available here. Just go to this import export option, import mark to Sol. Here, if you have the data available in mark format, you can directly import it using this mark data to Sol functionality. Here, if the data is available in mark XML or CSV, they can import it directly using this option.
You can even do copy paste, Control C and Control V.
Yes. See, I have downloaded one file yesterday. The file is record mark. This file I have downloaded. This is available here. Now you just say select all, Control C, copied, and say from clipboard. So automatically it will take select a data.txt and say import. It will be imported. After this, if any physical item is there and you need to enter the accession number of this particular item, you can enter this by doing this. Add accession number to imported data. That is available in import export option, the last option. Add accession number to imported data. To search here, the title will be available. You just select it and enter the accession number and other details, other local information. It will be imported. So and yes, please, sir.
Yeah, my request is to use extensively this module for your data entry purpose. You can see, you can always copy mark record from InflibNet's Union Catalog, जो आप लोगों की मेहनत से ही बना है. You can also copy record from exclusive NER catalog. So आपका जो data entry का time है ना, वो बच जाएगा. Then as the demo is going on, I had some other question who was saying is member card is fully customizable. So
Yes.
I will say yes, it is fully customizable. Divekant can show if
Yes, it is available in administration module under the circulation master option. The customized member card option is there. You need to select that institute logo, institute name. See, you can resize this. Then institute name. So wherever you want to keep, you can keep it. I'll show you if any already available card is there. See, we have customized this card. It is available. Institute logo, institute address, member name, course designation. Like that, you can also customize according to your library's requirement. And the instruction part can be added by clicking on this add instruction button. So this is the instruction. And this will be printed by the side of that library card. Should I move ahead, sir? Or any other?
Divekant, range also you can tell, like show them range 1 to 10, the accession number, multiple copies.
yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Now, see, as we have received so many requests, like adding multiple copies in using range. So, after entering all this bibliographic detail, if you are using, if you want to enter 1 to 10 copies or 1 to 100 copies in library and college library cases, they are receiving more copies of one single item. So they can directly by using this functionality, they can directly add 1 to 10 if you want to keep the prefix or suffix of any character, then the length of that particular accession number, and say go, it will be created all the accession numbers. See, like say 001, as entered 3, so number will be taken as 3 and the suffix what you have entered. So 001, then 002, 003, 004, 5 up to 10 it will create. This is the newly added feature.
Now I think, shall we take, Divekant, anything is pending from your side, or we can take questions?
It is better to take.
Show OPEC, and then I think we'll take questions.
Yes, in OPEC, to improve the search functionality, we have, as I told you, we have added one feature, that loosen index, so it will quickly display the results. See this, only single item, it is having more than 12 copies. It is displaying all these title available, the India is a keyword, and here just the facets we have given, like Oxford, it will be shorted to Oxford, then 10 AMIA, it will be shorted, and if you remove this facet result, it will be removed. So this OPEC and Web OPEC we have developed. Yes, sir. Please.
Amrendu Bora's question is, membership customization same as well as 2.0? No, we have improved, like we have added something more, so it is more easier. Now please, if you have any questions, please put it on the chat box, so we'll be happy to answer regarding Soul.
Yes, you can put two characters as prefix or suffix. The times using SIP2 is quite disruptive in sense it consumes time because we have to start that.
Okay, there is one question for Chanlak ke bare. Many times using SIP2 is quite disruptive in the sense that it consumes times, because we have to restart RFID middleware to establish connection with Koha server. See, regarding Koha server, I cannot comment because middleware of Koha is being developed by a third party. There is, see, SIP2, I will say it is very old standard and it is proprietary standard. It contains only 12 to 13 messages, whereas NSIP 2.0 is the newer standard which contains more than 60 exchange messages, and it also facilitates you the other security aspects and other things. So SIP2 is really very old. I personally don't recommend SIP2 because it is proprietary and it is very old. It is possible to print check-in receipt. It is from Apurva Jyoti Majumdar.
Yes, it is possible.
Yes, it is possible. In circulation, we have an option.
Check-in and check-out, both the receipts can be printed. I'm showing you this under circulation, transaction menu. See, print, issue and return receipt. Both the options are available.
Apurva Jyoti is Koha user, I think. Is it? Anyway, no problem. Apurva ji, it is possible.
Is there biometric attendance facility as
yes
of gate register? No.
Divyakant,
yeah.
We have, if it can be integrated with that member login screen.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Biometric device they need.
Yeah, but it can be configured.
Yes, it can be configured.
See, if go to that screen, member login screen, please, in your screen.
Under this transaction, this member login.
Yeah. So instead of member code, if we take ID from biometric device, okay, if we take ID from biometric device, it can be either by barcode or any biometric device. Ultimately, it is supposed to return the ID, so it can help.
Gaganji, we have integrated this barcode scanner. If you are using the barcode scanner for login and log out, you just tick mark this and say, if you scan the barcode here, it will be automatically logged in. And if the logged in user again scan the barcode, then it will be automatically logged out. Another thing, this log out all member option is that if the member forgot to log out, then at the time of library closing, if you click on this log out all member, all the logged in members who forgot to log out will be logged out automatically. Please show the member login data. SMS facility is there for issue, return, and overdue and reminder. Shainara Begum Chaudhary ji, it is available for issue, return, overdue, and reminder facility.
As well as you can straight away using reminder, click on reminder button. You can send bulk SMS also.
Here.
Like here.
Like due date between
Certain dates.
See, at present data is not available.
Here
you just click on this
and send
and
SMS.
Send SMS. It will send to all these three members. Sir, any pending question?
Yeah, there is one question from Jadav Jyoti Saikia. Can it be possible that only logged in user can get facility of issue and return? Obviously, only registered member and member who are coming at circulation counter will get issue, na? Yes, we can restrict. Yes. Yes, this Mriganka Niyog is question ki when a user reissue, we have to first return the item and then reissue.
No, reissue means Yatrik, that is a renewal actually. Renewal it is working. There is not required to
So instead of
issue actually.
Go to transaction menu, instead of issue you have to click renew.
Renew.
And this
renewal button is there for reissuing the item.
Mruganka ji, there is a renewal button, so that is reissue.
Another question was
okay. This एक minute. There are 2-3 questions. Let me go through slowly. Can we generate report by customizable? Yes, I will. Any report. Divekanji, I want to just show them that new accession register that we have created.
First, I'll show them the catalog original one. Earlier, what was there in 2.0, we have provided the functionality to generate report by creating the report template here. In this case, many people were facing the issue while generating the accession register. But for that, we have provided one functionality to export the accession register in TSV format so that all the fields listed here, you can select it in the sequence you want. Like if you are selecting the accession number first and then date of acquisition in second, so it will be exported in the same way. Here the options parameters are same, which was provided in this basic report module. You can use any of this search parameter option and you can generate and export the TSV for accession register.
Okay.
This
then
Yes.
Birender Pal's question is, can we expect free of cost the next upgradation? Definitely, it will be free of cost to you. Don't worry about that.
So
Upgradation
if
is
we click
always free of cost. Somebody was
issue
telling,
button, then
then Sehnara Begum Chaudhary is saying, can we do data migration from yes, you can do. We will give you a complete documented things. Then issue and return will be very important. Newer soul version
oh,
offline issue. See, soul is fine. It is fine. We'll think on this issue. Can we put abstract of the article in periodical module? Article indexing itself is there, and you can attach any document. Is there any facilities to print member card by selecting a minute?
yes. Member card you can print. You just use only single member code.
Yes, हेमंता जी ये है फैसिलिटी नया में. सब रिटर्निंग अ बुक मैसेज कैन वी सेपरेट. श्यामंता का क्वेश्चन है, कैन वी क्रिएट separate department library under the university library? Yes, you can create n number of libraries. I will tell you an example. We have installed Soul in Banaras Hindu University, where there are somewhere around 8 lakh records, and they have 135 constituent department libraries, and they have created under one Soul, they have created 135 or 132 departmental libraries, and their issue return is working perfectly fine. Tell me about book transfer in circulation module. Vivekant?
Yeah, just a minute. In
Book
circulation, under this transaction menu, book transfer option is there here. So you need to select that source library and destination library. Here I have created only a single departmental library, so it is showing Bengali only. Now the book transfer and ILL both are different things. Here under this administration menu, in general, circulation master, ILL membership option is there. Here, if you want to use book transfer option, then you need to enter the departmental library, like this departmental library. And if you want to go for institutional ILL, then you need to select the institutional one. So whatever the departmental library you have created here, that will be displayed in this book transfer option here. So you can transfer a book from any library to any library.
I mean main library to department library, as well as one department library to another department library, as well as department library to main library. You can do anything. Birender Pal's question is, can we restrict the user from issuing book if he is not logged in to get? Yes, we can customize that this option, but right now it is open, because you know some library doesn't follow the get register system. That's why. So I think no more questions. Acha, please depend Deka serial control. Deka sir, let me tell you, if we demonstrate serial control module one by one, it is going to take almost 1.5 hours. But I will tell Divyakal to just show the options.
Screens actually. That
Screens, serial control module.
This is the serial control. Here I am closing everything. See, under the serial, these are the sub menus: title, suggestion, subscription, payment, checking, commercial binding, and this. Under this title entry, so whatever the serials you want to enter, from here you can enter, and for the same you can update the title from here, and third serial title can be updated from here. Then if any request is coming from the student or any staff members, you can directly enter the request. You can update the request. Then it will go for approval process. So first it will go for library approval process. Library approval process. Here there are no serials available. Then it will go for committee approval, and then if you have rejected any earlier item, you can approve it, and then it will be directly entered into your main database. These are the options available. Under the subscription part, ordering process is also there. You can order the item, you can cancel the order. Then the payment part is also there, invoice generation, payment processing, then refund process is also there. If you then this will be the check-in part. Under this check-in, schedule generation part is there. See here the data is not there, so I am not able to show you the check-in process. Then if the items were not received from the vendor, so all these details are same. All this process of serial control are same, like just like 2.0. Then commercial binding and in-house binding, all these are the same process,
But with improvements.
but with yes.
But with improvement. So I think shall we close off? It is about to 4 o'clock, and still I can see participants.
We can take these questions in the group or somewhere in the email
Yeah,
ID.
yeah. So we can take the questions later on, because you know what I'm thinking is, okay, I'm just talking about off track. Like we need to conduct several programs, because what I understand and feel is that people are not so aware about the different services which has been provided by InflipNet Center. Like you know. Divekant, can you stop sharing screen, please? You know, InflameNet is providing institutional hosting this institution hosting service, institutional repository hosting service. एक second, I'll just get right. So like what we are providing, we are allowing institutions and libraries to host their institutional repository in the InflipNet. So you don't need to worry about anything, and we will host the IR for you. If you can give me 2-3 seconds, I will just share one of the hosted service of Assam itself. Just a minute. Just a minute. Like we have done KK Handik Open University Library. Their IR is hosted by us. I'm not getting this their URL. Just a minute. Learners portal. See, this is a digital library of KKH SOU. Now, what they have done, they have hosted their entire repository in InfluentNet Center, and they have put their newsletter, their articles published by their material like administrative documents. You can see this all are hosted at InfluentNet server. So what we can do is we can also, if you are interested, we can also extend these services to college libraries. At your convenience, please go and look that digital library. This library is hosted at InfluentNet server. So similar services can be taken from InfluentNet. Now I think I will hand over to the organizers.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Welcome.
Thank you very much. So I hope this session will give a new dimension to the Northeastern Institution of India. And sir, really very much thankful to you that you have invest your valuable time and giving the demonstration on the Sol 3.0. I would also like to thank our Vagela sir. He is really doing his best job to demonstrate us. So sir, very much thankful to you. So if anyone want to ask any question, you may directly contact Yatrik sir in his email ID or in his other account. He will be always very much active in his social networking sites. So, so thank you, sir. Yatrik sir, thank you, sir.
Welcome, always welcome.
So next, we'll move to the next part of this program. That is our Professor Sanjay Kumar Singh sir is with us. Yesterday also he was joining with us, and he's always guiding in any kind of activities of Assam College Librarians Association, since he is also the advisor of Assam College Librarians Association. And under his initiative, we have done lots of works of InfluentNet facilities. Whenever there kind of any communication between InfluentNet and Assam College Library Association, then it is Sanjay Kumar Singh sir who is always helping us. Sir, please kindly give a very brief speech from your side, Sanjay Kumar Singh sir. Just I have been admitting to him. He was supposed to be out of this touch. Okay, Sanjay Kumar Singh sir. Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Now it's
Yeah, I'm audible.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, again, welcome back. Today, again, we have seen lots of discussion and beautiful presentation by all the three resource person, especially Yatrik Bhai and Divyakant, was clearly and in detail he has mentioned about the different activities of Sol 3.0, and I am sure that when it will be launched, it will be very useful for our all librarian friends, librarian colleagues, and they can show their efficiency, whatever they have shown for Sol 1.0 as well as Sol 2.0. And in this technologically changing world, and you have seen that some comparisons were also shown by the presenter regarding the open source software as well as the Sol. So all software has its own limitation, but we have to use according to the requirement, according to our need, and lots of things comes to our way, but we have to choose the best one, and which can be easily handled. So we should not go and believe or think or what is happening in the society regarding the open source or the other softwares or other LMS. So choose the best one. And at present, as I have seen that in the northeastern states as well in Assam, the InfluentNet Center is playing a major role, and they are guiding us from different ways, as well as and they are supporting technological supports as well as training the manpowers, and financially, directly or indirectly, they are supporting all the college libraries as well as the university libraries of our region. And as you know, Dr. Hosamani has already mentioned that we are having two regional offices, one in Guwahati University and another is the Mizoram. So for last few 1 or 2 years back, it is not functioning. So hope it will function from this year, and all the activities are going on. And one thing I would like to say that yesterday I have seen one tweet given by the InfluMnet Center regarding the activities performed by the ACLA, which is a great sign for all of us. And the credit goes to Patel Bhai and Divyakant Baghela ji and Husamani ji for this initiative. And what I have seen today that it is more and more illustrious in comparison to yesterday's program. So in future also, we expect such type of things from the InfluMnet Center. And those who have joined, we are thankful to all the participants taking active parts. We are thankful to the organizer, especially thanks goes to Dr. Prasanta Kumar Deka, Dr. Brinder Pal, Dr. Sri Simanta Madam Bora, president of this, and all directly or indirectly who are associated with this program. And major credit goes to all three resource persons from the InfluMnet Center. I wish you all the best, and I think something you must have learned from this. And when this new software will come up after the lockdown period is over, then you will find that something new, some new thing you have learned from this. So thank you very much to all of you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank
So
you.
we are coming to the last part of this session. We are not going to take any question directly from participant. Is it not, sir? We can take questions in the different formats. Okay. So we are going to the last part of the session, that is called vote of thanks. That is very easy to give, but very difficult to prepare. And so before going to vote of thanks, just I would like to tell about something, a very small thing about Assam College Librarians Association, that we have prepared an ICT cell under our own initiative, where our own college librarians, they have constituted a small group and trying to help the different college libraries of Assam in different aspects, handling the SOL software or in kind of any kind of technical details like day-to-day problems which are they have been handling. We are also preparing different kinds of educational videos for our colleges of Assam. So in this way, we are moving forward with a very good planning, and I expect all the participants to kindly cooperate with us so that we can go further with our own objectives, which has been seen by our Honorable General Secretary of ACLA, Dr. P.K. Deka. It is he who has constituted the ICT cell of ACLA. So first of all, I'd like to give my thanks to Sri Yatrik Patel sir, scientist A and CVO of InfluMnet Center. Sir is really very much generous. I know him since last 10 years, and whenever he's always the same. Virender bol kya hal hai? So that is a very simple gesture whichever I am receiving from him, sir. I am very much thankful to you that you make the things very easy to us. Thank you, sir. And in future also we would like to have you in our different kinds of programs, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Well,
Next.
I would like to interrupt. Actually, the person right now who is thanking everyone needs to be thanked the most, because everything, connecting everyone, creating WhatsApp group, creating online registration form, creating feedback form, और उसका WhatsApp का वो देखो तो I am not getting voice, I am not getting this, press mic button, ये वो, I mean this man should really be saluted, and he should be thanked. See, we are the normal people, but he is really struggling, he and Deka. So Birender Pal should be thanked the most, not us, I think.
No, sir, it's my pleasure, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you for your kind words. Really, it will motivate us to do further work for our association and for library science profession. Thank you very much, sir. Next, I'd like to convey my heartiest thanks to Dr. S.G. Hosamani, sir, scientist D, InfluMnet Center. Sir is really means whenever I used to talk to him, whenever I used to communicate to him, always instantly at the same moment he used to respond. ठीक है, it is possible, it is possible. Nothing is impossible with Hosamani, sir. It is possible. So Hosamani, sir, really, we are very much thankful to you that you have invested your valuable time with Assam College Librarians Association, and in future also we will develop different kinds of planning with InfluMnet, and please guide us so that we can make further different kinds of planning so that our college librarians can do better in their different kinds of libraries. Sir, thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Next, I would like to give my heartiest thanks to Divyakant R. Baghela, sir, who is also very much working hard for this program. He is the scientist from the InfluMnet Center. Sir, I would like to thank my heartiest sincere thanks to you. Thank you very much, sir. And in future also, we will try to communicate with you, because whenever we used to meet in InfluNet directly, you just say the kind of friendship you have shown during the teaching. It's really help us. And the same kind of things we have seen today also, sir. Thank you very much, Bagela, sir.
Welcome, Palji, and we are ready to help you all people.
Next, I would like to thank our Professor Sanjay Kumar Singh, sir, who needs no introduction, not only in Northeast but in the entire India. He's always very much dynamic. Whenever he used to contact him, he used to give his cooperation, he used to give his suggestions, guidance, and any kind of support we need in any situation, even in night, morning, every time he's available with us. So, sir, I am really much thankful to you that you have given your your important time to us, and so that we will definitely further develop in our college library system. And sir, thank you very much for giving your time, sir. Sanjay Kumar Singh, sir. Next, I would like to thank to the General Secretary of Assam College Librarians Association, Dr. P.K. Deka, without whose support we cannot complete this program. He is working very hard day and night for the entire program. Always he is to communicate day and night. Even last 2 or 3 days we have not slept. He used to call me at right 12 o'clock, 3 o'clock sometimes, and we used to communicate how we have to do, how we have to do. So we used to make certain plans with him. So Deka sir is the person who has made this ICT cell, and today we are getting the program in reality. So on behalf of ICT cell of Assam College Librarians Association, I would like to thank to Deka sir. Sir, thank you very much. I'd like to convey my heartiest thanks to the president of ACLA, Semanto Matapura sir, sorry, without whose cooperation we cannot complete this program. Sir, very much thankful to you for your kind permissions and for your kind advice during the programs. I would like to convey my heartiest thanks to all the participants, not only from Assam but from the entire Northeast. Whenever we have communicated with them at a very short moment, within a very short time, they have given their consent and they have joined this program. And in this program, we have not faced any much difficulty in the technical side, because most of the participants, they are aware about the different kinds of technical handling of Zoom software. So from that point of view, we are very much lucky that participants are quite a bit active. So I would like to thank to all the participants who are in this program. And last but not the least, the place where I am sitting, I should give my special thanks to my colleague, Dr. Dilip Kumar Sanwal, from where I am hosting this program. Thank you everyone, and thank you everyone. With this, I would like to conclude this season. Thank you very much. Assam College Library Association, long live. Thank you very much.
Bye. Namaskar.